Yung Petron, tapos na yung season nila. They were not able to win the championship here in the Governor's Cup even when at the start. I mean, even Coach Franz Pumaren said, Petron had the strongest lineup.
Malakas sila.
So scary.
Yes. Imagine, di ba we even had an episode? We said, Petron, the beasts are back because we felt that they were...
Remember when we were in Lawag, na pati si Coach Ato Agustin was really looking forward to defending their championship dito sa Governor's Cup. He was saying na all the pieces are here, everybody's back and healthy, and he was really excited about it. Nga lang.
Also, unahin na kita, Magu, what went wrong?
Those guys don't like each other.
Wow.
Yun ang nakukuha kong ang daming kong nakababalitaan ganun. You look at teams like Rain or Shine, you look at teams like BMEG, all of these teams na talagang makita mo may brotherhood, may family atmosphere.
Air 21.
Air 21. Yung Petron, even in out of
parang labas sa ilong You mean kayo ni Menor? Ganyan kayo?
Oo.
OG Menor?
Bedista yun.
Bedista yun eh.
Nagla-launch pa nga sila after practices na nakita ko.
Hindi ka nagpa-follow sa
Instagram. Coffee tayo. Anyway, tapos...
Even in out-of-town games, you'll see it. Pagka nakakasama mo yung Petron in out-of-town games, nagsasama-sama lang sila pagka nasa dugout at nasa court, after nun, kanya-kanya na. Everybody has their own thing going on.
And you feel that is a huge reason why they could not fulfill their potential?
Yun kasi walang tumanggap na mga roles na kailangan nila tanggapin.
Yeah, I think with that, I think they have to set the egos aside. Kasi, I mean, we couldn't say na we didn't see this coming. Ang dami na lang superstars dun eh. Talagang tambak, di ba? May iba pa nga. Hindi pa naglalaro, di ba? So I think you have to wake up and smell the roses. Hindi kayo lahat mabibigyan ng ganong klaseng, playing time. You have to accept what you're there for.
Yes.
Ikaw rin.
Tingin ko tama yung sinabi ni Magu kasi lahat sila superstars. Siyempre, bawat team merong mga roles yan. Kanya-kanyang roles yan. Siguro nga gusto lahat maging superstar. So, mahirap talaga maglaro na lahat ganun yung roles eh.
Diba? Puro hero ball eh.
Balita ko nga isang practice.
Anong
isa sa mga superstar nila. Para nagdi-drills na yung buong team. Tapos siya daw nakaupo lang nakaganon. Ayaw mag-practice.
Sino? Ang dami naman din niya.
Ayaw talaga.
Nagkakasisiyan na. May balita din ako.
Anong balita mo?
Pagkatapos nung Hinebra game, nagkagulo-gulo about that rebound play ni Dylan Ababu.
May nag-away.
Nagkaroon ng contact do sa Monday after.
After? Katapos na nung...
Pagkatapos.
Okay lang sana kung nag-anuhan sila doon sa court, pero...
Yung kiskisan lang because of intensity.
Oo.
But apparently this one,
after,
it's parang sisihan.
Nagkakasisihan.
Tsaka sa practice talaga daw makikita mo, nobody respects anybody.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
And the thing, parang, I'm doing my job, why aren't you doing yours? Yung ganong klaseng sisihan na ako, ginagawa ko to, dapat gawin mo yung sa'yo. Yung isa naman, gulo-gulo na sila eh.
But ako naniniwala ako na in a team, hindi naman pwede lahat best friend, di ba? I mean, siyempre may mga tao dyan. You're what? You're how many in a team? You're more than 10 guys
But
there.
You need at least one guy who's best friends with everybody. The glue guy, the Mark Pingris. Yung mga ganon na...
Wala bang ganon si, ang Petron?
Wala bang ganon?
Isn't Danny Eider respected
Danny Eider is a two-time MVP.
Yeah, isn't he the respected elder?
I would think si Alex Cabagnot yun,
yes.
But apparently, it's not.
You need a guy na will really produce for the team without having any plays called for him. Diba? Yung mga ganon, yung mga Willie Wilson, mga Mark Pingris na he will be part of that five dahil yung apat nga, napakagaling na kayang gawin, na kayang umiscore at any given opportunity. You need one guy who will do the dirty work.
So, okay, are you guys telling me now na if let's say hindi galawin ng Petron yung lineup nila and then you wait for Lassiter to join the team, the things will not improve in terms of their
until they realize. Siguro.
I think tama yung sinasabi niya. Dapat ma-realize sila bakit Talk and Text nagagawa. I mean, simula nung nagcha-champion sila, lahat naman yun superstars, 'di ba? From the other team. So, napagsama-sama, 'di ba? Parang paano nagawa ng Talk and Text? Syempre, kaya din nilang gawin 'yun.
Hindi ba pwede sabihin na, hindi ko ba pwede sabihin, why don't you give this team more time? More time. Kakadagdag lang nung Lats. Kakadagdag lang. Si Lassiter
Washington na just come back
Washington, kababalik lang. Dondon, kababalik lang.
Peña,
kababalik lang.
Actually, si Peña yung isang puro trabaho lang doon, puro sipag. Never tumatawag ng play yun para kay Peña sa poste.
Ilan ba ang veterans dun sa team na yun? Di ba mas madaming veterans kaysa sa new
Maraming
guys?
veterans.
So
Dami.
I'm thinking they should already know by now, di ba? They know what to do, they know how to make it work. Eh di yung influensya nila yung ibang teammates.
Maybe they need a Doug Kramer in that.
Wala.
So gusto mo pa sila dagdagan. Hindi. And is it unfair to Coach Ato na para bang siya yung nagiging focal point nitong mga problema ng Petron? Now he has to speak up and say na may mga player kasi dito ayaw tanggapin yung mga role nila and it's hard to coach a team like this. Is it unfair to Coach Ato?
May punto naman si Coach Ato eh.
Oh.
Coach Ato has proven himself on every level, including the PBA. Tandaan natin, nag-champion sila last season nung maraming injured. And everybody on that team was saying, si Lakay nakausap ko, si Olsen was saying na, diba, nag-tweet pa si Olsen niya na mas okay sa kanila pag kulang-kulang sila because everybody gets their minutes. Everybody gets the playing time they need.
Lahat masaya. So in short, everybody happy.
Everybody happy.
Pero hindi
Except yung mga di naglalaro.
Oh,
Except
ibig
yung mga
sabihin,
injured.
Hindi naman pwede may palaging may injury sa kanila or deliberate
para manalo,
para
para
injure. So I guess it's
manalo.
time for him to, find ways on how to make it work.
Crack the whip.
So who's going to crack the whip?
Pagka ba naman yung 1992 MVP hindi nila pinakinggan, ewan ko kung sino pakikinggan nila sa team na yan. That's a 1992 MVP, Ato
Si
Agustin.
Pedro.
Pedro!
Dapat dinami mo pa si Pedro dito. Hi, Peter Martin. Dinami pa, nanahimik yung tao sa likod ng bench. Dinami pa. Ikaw rin.
I think yun nga, dapat may tumayo doon, maging leader na kayang sabihan lahat at marespeto.
So, kailangan medyo veterano, kailangan
Veterano.
leader.
Tandaan natin, they have 9 assistant coaches.
Yeah.
May alam ako pwede dagdag dyan.
Hmm.
Pwede.
Ikaw naman. 22
Ano?
minutes sa game na lang to, gagawin mo pang 2 minutes.
Ako sa akin, maybe baka nagmamadali din yung ibang tao na makita itong team na to mag-dominate because it's built to dominate. You don't build this team to, finish 4th or 5th. It's built to dominate, but maybe domination is not something that you can achieve overnight.
If they stay together, they just have to realize what they're supposed to do instead of just going their own ways.
Tsaka kailangan ma-realize nila kung ano yung nawawala sa kanila.
Ano nga nawawala sa kanila?
Championship. Bonuses.
Magaling yun.
Diba?
Magaling yun.
Marami nawawala sa kanila pag natatalo, diba?
Ito na lang. Let's give them some time.
Okay, you tell them.
Ayun, sige.
Guys, let's give them some time.